Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. Today, we have one goal. The only goal is to catch a catfish and cook it. Just for you guys. It's hot out. It's gonna get hot out. It's about like 80 degrees right now. It's supposed to hit up like 95. Jeez, freaking squirrel dropped something on me. It's supposed to hit up to like 95 degrees. So our goal is to catch a fish, cook it, eat it, and get the heck out of here. I'm sitting here in the shade. That's why the lighting's kind of terrible right now. But that sun is already cooking the water. So let's get out there, throw some cut bait, let's catch a fish. Stay tuned. Got my stove thing right there. Get the cut baits out. Oh, they're still frozen, of course. Man, I took them out like 2 hours ago. Still rock solid. Holy smoke. Completely rock solid. Need to keep this section clean there in case I do catch a fish. I didn't bring too much today. Only brought a few because I don't know. I feel like I don't need that much shad for this outing. I hope. Oh, geez, and it broke off. Good job, David. We'll just leave this out here. It's so freaking hot. I think my sinker's too heavy because my bobber's not staying up. Oh, geez. You guys saw that? It went down. It went down super fast. Oh, there's a fish here. There is a fish here. Holy cow. All right, we switched up the weight here, so it's not so heavy. We just lost that one. Ah, much better. Now it's sitting up, right? Oh, a tap. It's going down. It's going down. Oh my gosh. Dude, what? How did it not hook them? Dang, they gotta be small. I've been waiting for that bobber to go. I waited a long time. Alright, let's just try soaking it. See what happens. That we're not using so much bait. Obviously, they're not taking a float today. It should be, but you know, fish mood is different. Like, I wish food could just fly into me, you know. Good enough. Alright, I think I conclude that the fish are not here yet. Maybe in the evening, just not right now. So we're gonna move. We're gonna go see if they're in the rapids. We're gonna pitch around the rapids, maybe float around the rapids, and see if we can find a catfish. The goal is to come back and cook on this island. So we're gonna hop around a little bit. Stick around. Got him. We got him. Yes. Got a channel. The small guy was still, it'll do. Oh man. Got him right on the side. Wow. It's a clean channel. Whoop. It's a foul hook, guys, so I can't keep him. No, my bait. That sucks. I got a foul hook channel. He went for it, just missed. So, don't let me go. Do the right thing. Well, we caught one. Well, it missed. We snagged one. So, It's okay. We're gonna do the right thing, you know. Might get blessed with the bigger one. I remember it's pretty deep in there because I fell in there. I was bass fishing. Walk, 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 bloom, like chest high. Got him. That's a big fish. Yep. There we go. Running right at me. Oh yeah, that's a good eater right there. Nice. Might happen after all, guys. I was right, they're hitting the current. Goodness. Yes. Let's make sure I land this guy. Relax, buddy. Yeah, what a good eater. That's a good eater right there. Oh my gosh. Yes. Just like that, guys. You do the right thing, you get a bigger one. Whoa, that's more than enough fillet for me. Put them on the stringer. Nope, nope. We got one, guys. Took me long enough to unhook him. Or her, I should say. I'm gonna bleed her, and then we're gonna keep fishing. Blood. Okay. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh my gosh. I was not ready for that. Jeez. Oh, that's a nice kitty cat. Wow. Relax, chill, chill. Good, yep. They're so feisty, dude. Look at them go. Come on. It's not a good fish. We'll keep two, yeah? Yeah, we'll keep them, just in case. We'll keep two. That way, you know, the other one's bad for some reason, then we'll have the other one. Just for, in case. Two for lunch. It's good enough. Just bleed this one out too. I'm gonna cook in a bit here. I just want to make sure you guys get enough content to watch, you know? That way we're catching fish and we're cooking. Cooking good. Again, just from my experience, from where I'm fishing and where I'm from, when it's hot and sunny, right? Go to the current. Find calm, eddy areas like this. You guys can see it's pretty obvious. Like from my experience, they're usually hiding this stuff. Maybe because of the sun, the pressure, I don't know, but they like current. They just sit at the bottom. During evening time, they move up a little shallower where the water's calmer. But as of right now, later afternoon, it's pretty quiet, it's pretty dead. I figure I go to them, and this is where they normally hang out. Evening, sit out where it's calmer. Oh, I got another one. Got him. I was just talking, guys. Jeez, and they're loaded in there. Goodness. I kind of wish I caught the little ones like this. Jeez, relax, chill, chill, chill. Just like that, guys. They're stacked in there. Stacking this current. Yeah, this guy is really good eating right here. Easy to play, but it's okay. We already got two, so. Alright, just a couple more pitch here and then we're gonna go. I just want to make sure I didn't miss my opportunity of catching a big one, like a flathead or a giant channel. Usually when there's a couple of small ones like that, there's one really big one. And maybe I caught the biggest one out of the school, but could be wrong. Catfish are very unexpected. Let's just put it that way. You might be catching like 2-3 small ones, and then that next couple casts is that giant one. Okay, so we made it back onto the island. And we need to start cooking because it's getting hot. We need to start cooking. Where's the sun at? Okay, so we gotta cook this way. We got 2 nice female. Not bad. I don't know how bright it is. Let me just turn it down here. All right, here we go. Nice channel for you guys. Some good eats. Perfect eaters. We do need to start making them before they go bad. As my buddy Ving said, as soon as it dies, it's rotting. So let's go ahead and prep it. Stay tuned. All right, let's check this thing out there real quick. Just let it be. And I'm not digging it right there. I'm gonna cast more too. Cast a little upstream. So there's more current blowing the meat back down. Blowing the scent, I mean, back down. Right. Okay, the fish. Let's prep the fish. Doing it this way. Wash the fish first. Alright, it's nice and clean. Just gonna do it on the ground because I got no table. Just gonna get the strap. So just like that. Dirty strap from the mud. Gotta rinse it, and we gotta clean it one more time with the water bottle we got. Goes to do it quick because, like, again, it's pretty hot out. Like I said, I have to hurry because it's so freaking hot out. It's like 95 degrees. The meat's gonna start rotting real quick. Oh man, these are some beautiful filet, guys. Just beautiful. This cooler is really slippery too, so excuse my terrible filet skills, alright? As you can see, I messed up already. Go from this way. Trying not to get any of that like yellow, red stuff that catfish normally have. There's 2. Alright, you got the water bottle here. Oh no, I dropped the fillet. Okay. Let's cut this guy up a little bit here. And cut pretty thin too, so it cooks faster. 2, 3, 4. I don't know why I'm counting. Yep. So they're just gonna sit there and dry up real quick while I prep the stuff. Oil right here, just vegetable oil. Hot sauce, and you already know, New Orleans style fish fry. Heck yeah. Alright, so now I think it's been a little while here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the bag, you know, piece by piece. I'm gonna bring any tissue paper, so hopefully they're dry enough. Brand new. Shake it up. Oh yeah. Let's just do a little bit first, see what happens. Oh yeah, it's more than enough. Just so it's all compressed together. Gonna let it sit in the frozen cut bait here. So one thing I didn't bring to, I didn't think about it too much, was a plate and some napkins to drain the oil, but I'll use this hand towel I got here, and hopefully, yeah, it should be fine. We'll be okay. All right, I think it's been long enough. It's been for like a good 5 minutes actually. Good old Louisiana fish fry. My favorite of all time. Yeah, here we go, now we're talking. Wow, that's cool. All right, let's heat up the, jeez, see the stove here. You gotta make sure it's flat. Boneless chicken wing, dude. It's pretty nice. Yep, heat up your pot to kill the germs. All right, should be good. Just enough, like that. I'll just go the whole thing. Dang it, I was recording, but I just threw out my fillet in the oil there. Oh man, it smells so good. I'm excited. Look at that boil. Yeah. We're gonna be eating good in a bit here. It's 11:56, so perfect for lunch. Yeah, one more minute, we should be good. They're definitely floating around, so should be ready. Let them rest. Gotta hurry because I don't have that much oil left. Gas left, I should say, not oil. I have like half a tank here. Oh yeah, this guy is way overdue. Dude, look at that. Holy cow, look amazing. It's awesome. Yep, gotta hurry so these nuggets don't go bad. Alright guys, so while I wait for the rest to cook, I can't wait anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat. Oh my god, this is so freaking delicious. Hopefully I don't drop it. Made like a little mini bowl here. Look at that. It's absolutely pure gold. Just amazing. I gotta take this off. I gotta enjoy this. I gotta soak all this in. Woo! Alright. This is so good. Mmm. So crunchy. Wow. That's so good. My goodness. Here's another meaty piece for you guys. Look at the nugget side. It's perfect. Mmm. So crunchy. There's a perfect balance of spice. Oh my god. Man, that was so good, guys. Like, unbelievable. Let me show you guys. So I don't have a plate to show everything, but I'll try my best. Just look at that. Pure gold. It looks like shrimp. That's how good it is. Look at this. It's not shrimp, I promise. The straight up crispy catfish from the river. Like fresh. Absolutely amazing. It is so good. I just poured the oil in a jar here. I'll pour it on the ground. Just take it with you. Just throw that in here. Alright guys, I think that's it for today. I'm here in the shade and it's still freaking hot and humid. It's sticky. You guys know. It was cool. It was a struggle at first. I couldn't find them. I fished the pools that I wanted to set up on, but they weren't there. So I went into like the rapids where usually when it's pretty hot out, they sit in that faster current. And what do you know? They were there. We caught a couple for you guys to watch. We did some catch and cook. It was delicious. I loved it. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit the thumbs up, and let me know if you guys want to see more catch and cook. It was definitely a lot of fun. I'll see you guys in the next video.